Now we are going to talk about average function. If you would like to find the average of a group of cells, you can use the average function. First, write the following formula. This will be the formula we will need to use when we are looking for the result of an average number within a column. Of course, we will press enter at the beginning and the end after our formula is properly written. And then this is an example of what we will be using. Now, let's jump ahead to a clear demonstration of what average result might look like. This is our cell. I have colored it so we can have a clear visual of the result. We will be taking the average result of this column. And it's going to be posted in here. So what we do is we write our formula, which is equal, and we type in average. We are going to open a parenthesis. We're going to write and use our column and our range, which will be K to column. And we use K 18. Now, the range that we need to get the average result from has been highlighted. As you can see, in order for this formula to work, it has to be between parentheses. As you can see now, it's totally covered. Our formula has been written the right way. We will hit enter, and now we have our result. Thank you for joining.